Hello and welcome to our Finance Fundamental YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 15 secrets that only billionaires know. Becoming a billionaire is not an easy task, and there are many things that these people know that others do not. By learning these secrets, you can apply them to your life and hopefully achieve your financial goals. Secret 1. Be patient. The first secret that billionaires know is that patience is key. They understand that building wealth takes time and are willing to wait for the right opportunity to come along. They do not rush into investments or make impulsive decisions that could harm their finances in the long run. Secret 2. Be focused. Billionaires know that focus is important in achieving their goals. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and work hard to make it happen. They do not get distracted by things that are not important to them and stay focused on their goals. Secret 3. Be adaptable. Billionaires are adaptable and willing to change their strategies when needed. They understand that the market is always changing and that they need to be able to adapt to these changes to stay ahead. Secret 4. Have a mentor. Having a mentor is important for billionaires. They understand that they can learn a lot from someone who has already achieved what they are trying to achieve. They seek out mentors who can guide them and help them avoid mistakes. Secret 5. Be disciplined. Billionaires are disciplined in their approach to wealth building. They understand that they need to stick to a plan and be consistent in their actions. They are not swayed by emotions and do not make decisions based on impulse. Secret 6. Be persistent. Persistence is another key secret that billionaires know. They understand that they will face setbacks and failures along the way, but they do not give up. They keep pushing forward and are determined to achieve their goals. Secret 7. Be humble. Billionaires are humble and do not let their success get to their head. They understand that they have worked hard to get where they are and do not take their success for granted. They also understand that there is always more to learn. Secret 8. Be confident. While billionaires are humble, they are also confident in their abilities. They believe in themselves and their ability to achieve their goals. They do not let self-doubt hold them back. Secret 9. Learn from failure. Billionaires understand that failure is a part of the process. They do not let failure hold them back but instead learn from their mistakes and use them as a stepping stone to success. Secret 10. Be willing to take risks. Billionaires know that taking risks is necessary in order to achieve great things. They are not afraid to take calculated risks and understand that sometimes you have to take a chance to succeed. Secret 11. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Billionaires understand the importance of surrounding themselves with people.
Secret 12. Value time. Billionaires understand the value of time and use it wisely. They prioritize their time and focus on activities that will help them achieve their goals. They do not waste time on things that are not important to them. Secret 13. Be resilient. Resilience is another important secret that billionaires know. They understand that there will be challenges along the way, but they do not let them deter them from their goals. They keep pushing forward and are resilient in the face of adversity. Secret 14. Have a plan. Billionaires know the importance of having a plan. They have a clear idea of what they want to achieve and have a roadmap for how to get there. They set goals and create a plan of action to achieve them. Secret 15. Give back. Billionaires understand the importance of giving back to the community. They use their wealth to make a positive impact on the world and help those in need. They understand that with great power comes great responsibility and use their resources to make a difference. Conclusion. So those were the 15 secrets that only billionaires know. By applying these secrets to your own life, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success. Remember to be patient, focused, adaptable, and disciplined. Seek out mentors and surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Learn from failure, take risks, and be willing to give back. With hard work and determination, you can achieve your financial goals and join the ranks of the billionaires. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe to our channel.